everyone, today I will show with you how to check the password you set before, and this have to be used connected with our last video how to enter the factory mode. This function can be used when some of your end users forgot his password and ask for help from your side. Now let's show you on the machine. For example, this function has been locked with password. We can enter into the BSC mode, but you cannot change anything here now, right? So at this moment, if we still want to enter into any parameter, we can enter into the factory mode first. 00.16 entered, and enter our password shared with you just now. Right? Okay, we enter into the factory mode. We can get into the 00.17 to see. See, right? This is the password the client set before. Okay, now the next step, we remember the password and exit from the factory mode. We have to enter the password again to exit from the factory mode. Okay, now we know our password. We can set here 1, 2, 3, enter it. Okay, now see, we can change the parameter now. See, right? Thank you.